Division of two monomials. When dividing two monomials, the indices of the same variable in each term are subtracted, obeying the same rules as in the division of numbers written in powers, i.e. we have the following shown on screen. As for the coefficients of the monomials involved, they are divided. In popular terminology, we say, the monomials are simplified when doing such an operation. For example, if p, x, y, z equals 3x squared, y to the power of 4, z and q, x, y, z equals 6, x cubed y, z to the power of 5, we have the following shown on screen. Example. Calculate the following shown on screen. If p, x, y equals 3x to the power of 4, y squared and q, x, y equals 12, x, y to the power of 5. Solution. A. We have the following shown on screen. B. We have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 11.2.5. To continue this tutorial, please watch 11.2.6, the division of a polynomial by a monomial. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.